Welcome to our video on how to cite images and videos in APA style. We're assuming you've already watched our previous video on how to cite articles in APA style. If not, please check it out. To cite videos in text, use the author's surname or corporate name and the year of publication, separated by a comma and enclosed in brackets. Here's an example. Let's move on to the next step, creating end-of-paper references. To format a video reference in APA style, list the corporate name, put the publication date in brackets, italicize the title, put the description in square brackets, include the hosting platform and URL. Next, we'll guide you on citing images needing copyright attribution. Refer to images as figures with a figure number, italicized title, and note. Include copyright attribution in the note. The attribution starts with from before the italicized title. Follow with the type of media in square brackets. Add by before the author's surname and initials, publication date, and site name. Include the URL in brackets and the appropriate Creative Commons license. The end of paper references is similar to the attribution, with the elements placed in a different order. Start by including the author's surname and initials, followed by the date of publication in brackets. Italicize the title, put the type of media in square brackets, include the site name and URL. For more information, please refer to the library guide or video. If you need help, contact us via email or WhatsApp. Thank you.